Welcome to the fifth module of this course. In this section, you will learn why aircraft structures need regular maintenance to remain safe and reliable throughout their service life. We will explore how maintenance is performed, the different types of structural damage that can occur, and common issues such as fatigue and corrosion. You'll also learn about structural inspections, metallic and composite repair methods, and the philosophy behind structural repairs. Finally, the module will discuss aging aircraft and how continued safety is ensured over time. Aircraft structures live in a harsh world. Every flight brings loads, vibration, weather extremes, and environmental stress that slowly affect strength and safety. A brand new aircraft, fresh from the factory, behaves differently from an in-service one. Once in regular use, tiny damage, wear, and environmental effects start adding up and must be tracked. Every takeoff and landing stretches and squeezes the fuselage and wings. Repeated flights and pressurization cycles introduce stress that can lead to fatigue and hidden damage if not checked regularly. Aircraft don't age like wine. They accumulate wear, corrosion, cracking, and material changes over time, making aging monitoring and maintenance essential for safety. Maintenance is not optional. It's a fundamental pillar of aviation safety, catching potential damage before it becomes a hazard and keeping aircraft airworthy throughout their lives. Aircraft are designed with expected loads and life cycles in mind, but real-world conditions always vary. Maintenance bridges the gap between ideal design assumptions and real operational use.